guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, it's a little different. Today we are going to transform this shirt to some words. Probably I'm going to do Chevy on it on the left corner over here, well on my right, but when you put it on it's going to be on your left, or I'll probably put it on the right. I wanted to put it on the middle, but probably put it on the left. This is an iron on, and it's a transformations, and it's 2 sheets, and it's black like in the picture. It's like a soft material. So this is my first time doing this, and I hope I start doing shirts in the future. But for right now, I'm going to try this shirt since it's for work. So let's get started. Okay guys, now we are going to begin. The iron, you turn it on and you put settings on wool and then keep it there. And then you have to cut these letters, the Chevy part or whatever letters you want to do. And then once you do that, you preheat the shirt. You iron it for 10 seconds. So that way it can stick. So for right now, I'm going to cut these. Okay, now we're gonna cut. I have patience. If not, I wouldn't do this. There goes the C. Next is H. Next is H. It's only one H. So let's go. Okay, the shirt is supposed to be pre-washed fabric, preheat dry iron to wool settings, and then preset your fabric to heat at this setting. And it says lay the project out on iron board, which I don't have that. I just have my desk, and I hope nothing happens to it. And it also says to preheat the fabric surface 10 seconds, like I said before. Okay, now I'm going to place the letters. Let's see if I like them. It's probably too big for the corner. Probably put them in the middle. Make sure to warm it up, guys. Okay, let's begin. Okay, guys. Okay guys, now you're gonna press it. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's 40 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna flip it inside out to iron the backwards. Well, good thing it didn't fall. We'll see. And I'm done.
This is the shirt.
It looks nice.